PyTorch is one of the most popular frameworks for building AI. It provides everything needed to train neural networks. PyTorch stores data inside tensors. Tensors are like smarter number py arrays. PyTorch can run on CPUs or GPUs. GPUs make training deep learning models dramatically faster. Neural networks are built from reusable layers. PyTorch makes connecting layers simple. PyTorch automatically computes gradients. This allows neural networks to learn from mistakes. Training means repeating the same process many times. Each cycle improves the model's predictions. Modern bioinformatics models are often built with PyTorch. They learn patterns hidden inside DNA sequences. Neural networks cannot read letters directly. DNA must first be converted into numbers called tokens. Many modern genome and protein foundation models are built using PyTorch. It powers some of the most advanced biological AI systems.